Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to make this a quick video. I don't want to say it's really TA, more so what I think is going to happen next. So, my original target for this Bitcoin drop was closer to like 40 to 41K. I think we're probably going to see that today or tomorrow. We are going to be closing a 3 hour bear trigger in about 15 minutes. Usually a really good early sign of what's to come. So, I mean, last time we actually ended up closing this, we went from highs of 44K to lows of 42ish K. So about a 2K drop from these highs of 42.9. So 43 minus 2 would be 41, yeah, which would put us right around my initial target of like 40 to 41K. So I do think that in the next possibly day, like maybe two, within 2 3 days or so, we're probably going to see a $41,000 Bitcoin. I don't think, um, I don't want it to go down. I hope that I'm extremely wrong about this, but the likelihood is very high. So, for the next couple of days, I do think we're gonna go back down to 41K on Bitcoin. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.